Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this episode we will be learning how to change your phone number on PayPal. First of all, launch open the PayPal app on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're signed in, go ahead and click on your profile avatar or your icon at the top right corner from the home page. Now this will open up your profile section from where you need to click on Contact Info. Now, under Contact Info, tap on See All right next to Phones. On the next page, tap on Add a phone number at the bottom. Enter your phone number, type in your new phone number, and click on Add. Click Yes in the pop-up box to ensure that you want to change your phone number. Now, you'll need to verify your new phone number. Click on Get Your Code, and you will be receiving an SMS code on your new phone number that you just provided. Once you receive the code, type it down and verify your phone number. Soon after you do that, the new phone number will be added to your PayPal account. Now you can go ahead and make your new phone number primary, and that's it. That way you will be able to change your phone number on PayPal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.